I didn't believe it at first. People were whispering about something they'd found in the woods near Millbrook. A strange object, they said, unlike anything they'd ever seen. I dismissed it as another wild rumor, probably just some discarded machinery or a weather balloon. But curiosity got the better of me. I had to see for myself. When I arrived, a small group had already gathered. They stood in a circle, their faces a mix of awe and unease. And there, in the center of their huddle, was ... It defied explanation. A perfect sphere, about the size of a soccer ball, gleaming with an otherworldly sheen. No visible seams or openings, just a flawless metallic surface that seemed to absorb and reflect light in impossible ways. Despite having apparently fallen from a great height, it bore no signs of impact or damage. We approached cautiously. Someone reached out to touch it, and that's when things got truly bizarre. The sphere felt unnaturally heavy, yet its weight seemed to shift and change as we moved it. One moment it was a dense, immovable mass. The next, it felt almost weightless. As night fell, an unsettling feeling crept over us. Two of the people who had handled the sphere complained of sudden illness, dizziness, nausea, a strange buzzing in their heads. When someone poured water over it to clean off the dirt, the liquid hissed and evaporated instantly, leaving no trace. Days later, we managed to get it X-rayed. What we saw inside defied belief. Nested within the outer shell were layers of unknown alloys, arranged with impossible precision. Suspended in the core were dozens of tiny spheres, each perfectly identical, orbiting a central structure that resembled no technology I've ever encountered. It was as if we were looking at the inner workings of some hyper-advanced machine. But the most chilling discovery was yet to come. Under certain light, faint markings became visible on the surface. Not random scratches, but deliberate engravings. Some resembled ancient scripts, cuneiform, perhaps, or even older systems we can't identify. Others were utterly alien, defying any known human language or symbology. The implications were staggering. This object seemed to bridge the gap between our most distant past and a future we can barely imagine. Who or what could have created such a thing? I've heard the skeptics. They say it's an elaborate hoax, a viral marketing scheme, anything to rationalize away the inexplicable. But I was there. I felt its unnatural weight in my hands. I saw the impossible complexity hidden within its seamless exterior. This wasn't just some advanced human technology. This was something else entirely. Something that, by all rights, shouldn't exist on our planet. And I can't shake the feeling that its discovery wasn't an accident. That perhaps we were never meant to find it at all.